Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the board frame with the wireless coil by undoing 8 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, move to the bottom and take out the bracket by undoing 7 screws. Next, take out the headphone jack by unplugging the connector. Next, on the top left, disconnect and take out the front camera from the board. Next, disconnect the LCD connector. Next, take out the logic board by undoing 3 screws. Be gentle and lift the board carefully. Next, apply the heat and take out the vibrator motor. Next, apply the heat and take out the earpiece unit. Next, take out the battery. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. For the replacement, there are few different screen types in the market. The most common is the original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame. And the repair job is a little bit difficult and time consuming. And the price difference is not that big. And also, there are refurbished and used screens with the frame and without. I would recommend you to go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished or used, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. Next, move to the bottom and first place the vibrator motor on the frame. Next, place the earpiece. Next, place the logic board and secure with 3 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the headphone jack. Next, secure the SIM tray and front camera. Next, place the bottom bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and place the board frame with the wireless coil by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Galaxy S10 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.